Hi guys, this is Pau Pepito, your home search buddy. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Tansa, Cavite, kung saan meron tayong sulit na property na magandang investment for residential, rental at Airbnb business. So ngayon ipapakita ko sa inyo si Newville Townhomes. So tara! Bakit nga ba magandang mag-invest sa Newville Townhomes? Location-wise, along main road lang ito ng Tansa, Cavite. 10 minutes drive sa mall, hospital, schools, markets, worship area, at marami pang iba. At malapit lang ito sa Central Business District. At approximately 45 to 60 minutes drive lang ito going to Manila. Second, meron tayong gated and secured community, may malalaki tayong road, kaya naman presko at maliwalas. At meron tayong complete amenities. Kaya ng clubhouse with pool, basketball court, parks and playground, at marami pang iba. Ganda dito guys, lahat ng units natin dito ay with carport at balcony. For inner unit, meron tayong minimum lot size na 52 square meters at floor area naman na 60.40 square meters. Total improved area is 90 square meters. Total of 3 bedrooms at 2 toilet and bath ang meron tayo dito sa Newville Townhomes. At pwede pa to sa Pag-ibig, bank at in-house financing. Livable na to upon turnover dahil meron na tong electricity and water. Kaya naman gamit at ikaw na lang ang kulang. No spot down payment din tayo dito at payable ito ng 24 months. Monthly amortization via Pag-ibig ay 17,000. Kaya naman nabuli na natin before mag-pricing please. At may promo pa tayo na free appliances. You can reserve this property for only 20,000 pesos. Welcome dito ang mga OFW, locally employed, self-employed, freelancer, at virtual assistant na may ITR. Pwede rin ito ng spot cash, TCP, or down payment for discount. At pwede din dito ang deferred cash na payable for 24 months without interest. Kaya naman kung interesado ka mag-invest dito sa ating Newville Townhomes, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!